Hey Millennium Minders, I'm super excited to share with you how you can earn between $1.50 and $2.60 in just 60 seconds of work with cost per actions. Before I get started, I know a lot of people might say that this title is clickbaity. This seems like a very scammy and fishy sort of content, but just watch this video until the end so I can actually show you that you can actually do this with the strategy. And I'm going to show you a 3-step process on how you can execute the strategy. And this process also pays via PayPal, so it pays internationally. It's a worldwide method. Anybody can do this wherever they are around the world. And I'm going to show you the website as well. And I've also got a bonus copyright script for you guys at the end that will boost your earnings with this method that you can just use to copy and paste with this method. But let's get straight into the website. And the website that I want to show you is called maxbounty.com. Maybe some of you have heard it before, but for those of you that haven't, Max Bounty is all about CPA, cost per actions, getting paid for every single action that you basically refer. So for example, if you refer one person to a website, that is considered as a cost per action and you are going to get paid for that. So this is what the landing page of Max Bounty looks like. So you've got the performance marketing that achieves your definition of results. You've got marketing, business journal, but more about it, trusted partners of companies such as Apple, Microsoft, American Express, Bookings.com all use Max Bounty. But I want to show you something first that you need to understand before we sign up on maxbounty.com. So if you come over to Twitter, Facebook or Quora, you want to find people that are looking for ways to make money online. So you can type in on Twitter something like I need money, for example. Okay, let's search a tweet that says I need money, and you can see there's a whole bunch of people saying I need more money and more sleep, I need to stop spending money, I need to save money, I said I need money, I need more money in my life. So there are tons of people on social media posting I need money, I want to find ways to make money. And same thing with Facebook. If you search at the term I need money, you can see there's a whole lot of I need money groups, help funds, I need more money, I need money ASAP. There's a whole bunch of groups as well. And the same thing with Quora. You can type in I need money and you can see here, I need money, how to earn, do I need money to start an online business, who can help me when I need money, to get money, what should I do I need money to start dropshipping. So there's a whole bunch of people on social media and these platforms looking for ways to find and make money online. So this is where Max Bounty is going to come in, and this is where you can make up to $2.60 in 60 seconds with Max Bounty. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create your account on maxbounty.com. It is a little bit of a process. I know they might actually call you for verification for your account. But I've already created my account. It's email, password, and some sort of verification. And this is what your dashboard is going to look like. So you can see you've got your affiliate manager, and you've got a whole bunch of different actions or cost per lead. So $30, $40 per lead. So what this is saying, if you refer someone to this website and they make an order, you're going to get $40 for that lead. But the option that you want to go to is called search campaigns. So if you click on search campaigns, it's going to pop up a search bar, a whole bunch of various different campaigns. There's also a search options button. You want to click on that and you want to uncheck everything except social media, because we are targeting people on social media. So that's why we want to leave only social media checked. You can leave all countries activated, all categories and all subcategories activated. Or sorry, you want to actually put your all categories onto surveys. So make sure that it's checked on surveys and you can click search. So you can see here is a whole bunch of surveys that you will get paid to basically refer people to. So you'll see for this website here, Rakuten Insight Survey, for anybody that just signs up on this website, you're going to get $1.20 per lead. Same thing with this ePoll market survey research, you're going to get $3.20 per lead. And what you want to do is you want to filter by EPC, which stands for earning per click. So what this means is earnings per click is basically the value of each person that visits this website that you refer them to. So for example, if you refer 10 visitors, on average, each visitor is going to be worth 98 cents for this specific website. So I'm going to click on any random survey. So I'm going to use this random one here, LifePoints US Desktop. And you can see LifePoints US Desktop wants people to sign up on their website to complete surveys and for them to earn points. And this is where they need you to basically lead people to this website, and you're going to get paid per lead that you lead to this website. So the little description of LifePoints is join our community with over 5 million members and start collecting LifePoints today, and you'll earn 10 LifePoints for just signing up, connect with the LifePoints community, contribute by completing surveys, and collect your favorite rewards. Lead converts on sign up plus email confirmation. So the person that you refer to the website doesn't even need to complete a survey for you to earn. They literally just need to sign up and complete or confirm their email, and you're going to earn your $3.50 per lead. So what this double opt-in means, that means to sign up, that is the single opt, and then to also confirm the email, which is the double opt-in. You'll see some websites are on max bounty. Also, let's try this one, Opinion World, might only be SOI, which is a single opt-in where they just need to enter the email. So here you can see with this one specifically, it's completed on first survey. So this one you'll earn $8 per lead, but the lead also needs to complete a survey. So this one you'll earn a lot more, but this one the customer or the lead needs to sign up, confirm the email, and complete a survey before you earn your $8. So it all depends what you want to go for. You can share multiple ones of these links, but I'm going to stick to the LifePoints US one at $3.50 just per lead for a double opt-in. So now I'm going to show you what you can do, and I'm going to actually show you how you can turn this into a passive income where you can earn this every couple of seconds, 60 seconds, 120 seconds. It really doesn't matter. It depends how many people click on your link. So I'm going to calculate this quickly. You've got $3.50 per lead, and you can have a daily cap of 50 actions per day. So if I go $3.50 multiplied by 50 actions per day, you can earn a maximum of $175 per day with just this one CPA structure with LifePoints US, which is really good money. So what you're going to do is I'm actually going to come back to the Opinion World one, and I'm going to go, you want to click on bold tracking link. Same with this one, $8 per lead, 15 actions per day. If you calculate this, $8 multiplied by 15, that is $120 you can earn a day with this specific CPA of Opinion World. So I'm going to go bold tracking link, and you can see what type of traffic will you be sending. So let's go social and select a creative link. So I'm just going to go text link. Here you go. So you now have been given your unique link. So when people click on this link and they sign up on this website, you're going to earn your $8 per lead. But this link looks very ugly. It looks very unprofessional and it looks very clickbaity and scammy, if you want to say it like that. So I just want to copy this link and I want to shorten it to make it look a lot neater. So I'm going to go to a website called bit.ly.com, and you can create short links and you can actually track the analytics of that specific short link. So I'm going to go create, then I'm going to paste this long URL, and I'm going to go create link, and you can see I've got to customize the back half quickly. So I'm going to go highest paid survey 2019, for example. That's quite a nice long link to have, and you can go save this link, and you can see my short link bit.ly has been created. So if I now go to this link, and you'll see it will take me to the website where I need to complete the survey in order for you to get paid your $8 on this lead. And if I go back, there's also many other ones that you can choose from. You can see there's another one here called ePoll Market Research. So I mean, you can go through all the various different CPA campaigns that you can get involved in. So this one here pays $2.15 per lead with somebody that's over 25 years and that just signs up with the email and confirms it. And you're going to earn $2.15. This one, you're going to earn $3.20 for under 25-year-olds that sign up plus the email confirmation. And you can also again bold the tracking link. What type of traffic will you be sending? So I'm going to go social again, and then I'm also going to choose the raw link. You then want to copy this link and also go to bit.ly and shorten it. And if I go to this long link, you'll see it will take me to the website where I need to sign up and complete this survey. And then what you want to do is you want to copy this short link that you've created, and you want to come back to Twitter, and you can actually reply to these people. Now I've got an awesome template for you here. Dear name, so you can go dear at so and so. I did some research online for you and found some of the best and highest paid online survey sites that I've personally used and earned money off. It's completely free to do, it requires a little bit of effort and only a couple of minutes of your time. I recommend this website, and you paste your link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this entire template, and I'm going to go to I need more money and more sleep. Let's choose this one. Yes, I'm sad, I need money. So I'm going to comment, tweet my reply. Dear Alexa, that's her name, I recommend this website. Okay, I'm just going to shorten this, it's a little bit long. There we go. And I'm going to reply to that. So that's a simple way you can do it. You can reply just like that. My tweet was sent. You can go do the same thing on Facebook groups. You can go post your message on Facebook groups. You can reply to people's comments. post the post. Same thing with Quora. You could also go to Reddit. There are many various different blogs, social media websites that you can share this with and help people earn money online, and you're going to earn per every single lead that you refer to this website. And there might become a stage where there's 20, 30 people clicking on your link every single couple of minutes. So that's the potential you can earn with this strategy. But if you guys enjoyed the strategy, make sure to comment down below what you think of the strategy. I certainly read all of my comments, so if you need any help, I'll reply to your comments, or you can message me on Instagram directly. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like down below. I really appreciate all of your support. Every single one of you subscribed and supporting my channel means the world to me. I just love helping you guys. I love creating content like this, helping you guys make money online. And if there's any solution that you need help with to your problem with making money online, comment down that below and I will help you out with a solution. But if you guys are ready for tomorrow's video as well, make sure you subscribe down below with the notifications on or with the bell on so I can send you a message as soon as I upload it. But until then, take care and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.